Dole Foods is suing a Swedish filmmaker for wanting to show a fraudulent documentary slamming the company.
Wow.
Malmöfilmaren Fredrik Gerten stäms av det amerikanska bananföretaget Dole. Företaget hävdar att filmen Bananas är en bluff.
It's totally crazy that you in the biggest democracy in the world can't even show this film. 6 weeks ago it was okay, now it's not okay because of blah blah blah. What is this?
Well, it's a scare tactic.
The film is based on a sham. That's the point.
But you haven't seen the film.
I've already told you no, Charlotte.
So you're fighting against this incredibly bizarre situation where people are saying the film is wrong and they haven't seen it.
Your film is wrapped up into a much bigger cause for Dole. Their cause is to get rid of billions of dollars worth of litigation that's pending against them because they kept using poisonous chemicals. So this is a cheap investment for them.
I stämningen kräver de att filmen ska läggas ner, hemsidan ska läggas ner och att jag aldrig mer ska uttala mig i frågan.
We feel like the film stands on its own and is very, very defensible. These guys are clearly trying to be as aggressive as they can.
They're attacking you as a filmmaker. They're attacking the film.
You see this? This is the front page of the LA Business Journal. Documentary turns Doe Fold into hero despite evidence that he fabricated facts court case. And the writer hasn't even seen the film.
We have a media that is corrupted by power. You have corporate ownership from the top. You have corporate advertising coming in from the side. We have a media where money and corporate influence is really the mother's milk.
I think you're being a little bit naive if you think that you can take a pop at a big multinational and expect to walk away without some sort of fight on your hands.
So what he's doing here is he's equating your film to a propaganda piece that was trying to essentially justify the massacre of Jews.
Vem är det som har skrivit det? Det är Michael Carter på
Dole.
Det kostar många timmar att kontakta så många svenska journalister som de har gjort. De har snart kontaktat hela journalistförbundet.
This is serious. This really is accomplishing the objective. Shutting down the speech.
They spend millions on their brand every year, and you're going to come in and start attacking their brand. What did you think was going to happen?
I'm a huge fan of our legal system, but I'm going to take a break from that for today.